32 two-door, Chevrolet motor in it. Offers around 79. Nice interior. Everything's clean. There's no gimmicks, no bull. It is what it is. They're cars, and they're fucking cool cars, right? So that's a Barracuda, and it's brown, pristine in there. Oh, look at that gear shift. Like everything. Like I love the trim in the seats even. See what I mean? Big Ford, black, 64. So that looks like you've just killed someone. Just to get the mail, you've killed someone. Sorry, guilty, Your Honour. This Wildcat has. It's sure to impress. Like, look at the leather. What? That leather is softer than the unders of my Buick. It's a nice bit of gear. It's bagged and it's got flamethrowers. Yes, I said flamethrowers. So, just picture that driving down coast and just letting them rip pubes out there doing their... This is one of those Torino Starsky and Hutch 1974 lights inside the cab. And it smells like that. Look at this fucking Dodge. This car is so nice. Exceptional. It's been modded up, just the nostrils on it. Okay, the Wildcat. Boom. Just saying, just need to get them out to get photos. Just in case anyone's listening, things happen. I love it. Like, look at it. Look at it. Look at this. This is a fucking Corvette. Look at that. They're really cool. I like it. Look in there. Can you believe how nice that is? I really do. A six-pack in your chin, it's full, but depends what you want to do with your life. Corvette Stingray. Or, look at this truck. Look at this truck. That's beautiful. If you look in here, it's like new. Wowee. Yeah, this is Frank's Ford with a big old bed on the back. Burgundy Chevrolet pickup. This is probably one of my... I really like this car. I don't know why. But inside, it's just immaculate. It's a Cheyenne Super. This Utes for sale, you can have it. A Corvette Stingray. There's another Stingray up. What's her name? Betty Boo. It's Peggy Sue. Sorry, Betty Boo and Peggy Sue. But that's a pink car just for you. We got a pink pickup. Wheels. They're pink too. And then there's this fucking weapon. There's this beast. And we got this one. You can't have that. That's ours. Mr. Richardson's Road Rage Industries. And like, if you don't like any of that, there's something wrong with you. I think you might be a little different. There's something wrong with you. Wildcats and Ford Galaxies, and we've got Cooters and Corvettes and Torinos. Man, what more do you want? You want me to touch it for you? Yeah. Hey, Shawnee. Just come on in and see us at Road Rage Industries. You can all come in.